We actually condemn that behavior in the highest terms possible. I don't know even the words I can be able to use. I mean, the county government of Nairobi has the responsibility of keeping everybody in Nairobi safe. They have also a very important responsibility of public health, of making sure that we are living in a country that is safe from diseases. You know, you come and dump waste so that people can get diseases like cholera and so forth. That was totally uncouth. It's uncalled for. It is unacceptable. And from day one, the National Police Service responded. Responded from the very day one. Perhaps we did not do the publicity as it should be, but at a very highest level, there was a report that was made by from the KPLC. That report led to arrest of some of the officers from this Nairobi for questioning, and also some of the lorries have been detained in the police station and so forth. We're going to be giving that information. Perhaps that information was not in Parliament by the time there was a debate yesterday, and we have agreed that as a ministry working with the National Police Service, we'll put together the information, the process that is going on, and submit it to Parliament for noting and for further action.